Hi, Noom team. So, my name is Ellen, and I have been struggling with weight loss since I had my kids. My oldest is 16. I also have a 15-year-old and a 12-year-old. And I was very successful on Weight Watchers right after my youngest. But as I've kind of gone through the 40s, everything is slowing down metabolism wise, and nothing was really working. So I decided to try Noom because it sounded awesome. And my favorite thing about it is how we have these little tidbits every day, especially those first 2 months. There was always a new skill to learn, a new thing to practice, a new thing to talk about. And it really educated me on why I was making poor choices and how I could make better choices. And it was all about the whole self. It wasn't just what was going into my mouth, but stress and sleep and exercise and all of these things. And I just feel like I am so much more educated to make the right decision without just following, blind faith. Oh, I need to eat this many points. No, I need to eat healthy foods, and here's some good healthy foods. So I think Noom has been fantastic, and I love it. And thank you for creating it. Thanks. Bye.